Most people don't know there's three phases to post-construction. When they think of post-construction, they just think, okay, you just come in and clean. Actually, no, there's three phases to post-construction. So phase one is where you pick up all the big stuff and debris and all those, things, construction stuff that are behind. Phase two is where you actually do an detailed cleaning. So that is where you do the sweeping and sweeping again and mopping again and mopping again. Depending on how dirty, how dusty, how bad the floors are, you are definitely going to mop more than once. You are going to dust almost every single inch when it comes to post-construction because there's so much dust. And then there's the last phase, which is the phase three final phase also, which mainly focuses, at least for us, it mainly focuses on the floor, dusting, windows, making sure that there's no more dust, making sure the carpets are vacuumed, making sure the floors are clean, there's no paint left behind, there's nothing, that it's perfect and ready for move in. So here we were doing, actually this is phase two, we're doing detailed cleaning. As you can see, there's so much dust. So I was done brooming there, and I can see we have different brooms color coded, which one is the first, which one is the second, and so on. So right now I'm done. Right now we're on phase two, so I'm done with the blue broom, which is the dirtier, I guess. Now I'm going to the red broom, which is a little cleaner. So as you can see, we have already swept the stairs. So now, yep, as I go through sideways, please grab the sideways, grab the closet, get in there, grab all the dirt, all the dust, all the sand or whatever it is, just get in there. As you can see, I'm really getting close to the wall, getting close to the door right there. And even when we're